Here our new topic is the bacterial appendages. So what are the bacterial appendages? A structure that projects from the bacterial surface. A structure that projects from bacterial surface. This is called the bacterial appendages. Now there are the two types of the bacterial appendages. Number one is flagella and number two is pili. So let's discuss these types. A structure that projects means it is a bacterial surface and the hair-like projections. Okay, that structure that projects from the bacterial surface is called bacterial appendages. Now firstly we will discuss the flagella. So what is flagella? Flagella, long appendages originates. Long appendages. Appendages means the outer covering. Originates from cytoplasm. Okay. The second point is made up of the flagellin protein. Long thread-like structure. They are long thread-like structure. And it is found in both gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. Found in both. Okay. So now found in both. It helps in locomotion. Flagella has three parts. Number one is basal body. Number two is hook. Number three is filament. So these three parts we will discuss after this three parts. We will discuss after pili. Okay. Firstly, I will give you the intro of pili. Then we will discuss these three parts. Now, what is pili? So pili is a small tube-like structure. Small tube-like structure, and we can say that hair-like projections. Hair-like projections. A small tube-like structure originate from the bacterial membrane. Originate from bacterial membrane. Now the second point is that it is made up of the pellin protein. Flagella was made up of the flagellin protein, so this pili is made up of the pellin protein. The next point is that it is found in certain species of the gram-negative bacteria. Helps in attachment or the infected cells. It helps in attachment. Okay, helps in attachment or infected cells. Also help in the bacterial conjugation. So this is the structure of the pili. Okay, Now pili, we can also say the second name of the pili is fimbriae. Okay, we can also say that fimbriae. Now let's discuss the three parts of the flagella. Number 1 is basal body, number 2 is hook, number 3 is the filament. So structure of the bacterial flagella, I've already told you that they are the long thread-like structures, and bacteria flagellum consists as three parts, three regions, we can say that. So number 1 is basal body, number 2 is flagella, number 2 is hook, and number 3 is filament. So this basal body is also called the motor motion. So what is basal body? Let's discuss here. So basal body is basically, it originates from cytoplasm. It originates from cytoplasm and it has two parts, ring and rods. It has two parts, rings and rods, rod-like structure and ring-like structures. Okay, so gram-negative bacteria have two pairs of discs. These discs are connected by the rods. Basal body anchors the flagellum into the cell envelope. Okay, now hook. What is hook? This is the curved structure. Okay, it contains basal body to filament. It projects from the surface. Now the filament, it is hollow structure. Hollow structure contain globular protein. Contain the globular protein, and this structure is, the structure of filament is like this. Okay, so these all about the basal body, hook and filament. These are the these are the structure of the flagella or the parts of the flagella, and we have discussed the bacterial appendages. So number 1 is flagella and pili. The rest I will discuss in the next video.